how to connect your AirPods Pro 3 to a Windows PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Bluetooth to pair your AirPods Pro 3 with your Windows 11 PC or laptop. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we have the AirPods case with the AirPods in it. Open up the case and then triple tap that green light. You're going to see it turn white and start blinking. Now we're ready to go to our computer. During this time, make sure that you leave the case open. And if for some reason it stops pairing mode, maybe it times out, something like that, you could just close it and then repeat the step of triple tapping that green light until it starts blinking white. All right, so now bring your AirPods over to your computer. Make sure it's still blinking white. And then what we need to do is open up the Bluetooth settings on our computer. So go down to the taskbar down here, select the arrow, and we're looking for a Bluetooth icon. Right-click the Bluetooth icon and select Open Settings. Once the settings open up, select Add Device, and then Bluetooth, and then it's going to start looking for our AirPods. Give it a second. It may come up as headphones initially before it recognizes what type of device it is, and then as you can see, it changed to my AirPods. So I'll select that. It'll connect, and once it connects, the light's going to turn green and it'll turn off. So now, as you can see, it's connected through mic and audio. We can hear audio from our laptop, and we can also use the mic on our AirPods with our computer. And that's how you connect AirPods Pro 3 with a Windows PC or laptop. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.